What do you reckon, guys? Should we go in? We've had enough, yeah? Right, okay guys, well, this is what the inside looks like. Obviously I've taken the seats out and it's actually really good. We bled the brakes and we tried to bleed the clutch and the clutch wouldn't do anything. So we assumed, rightly or wrongly, that it was just something silly. Oh, it is something silly, alright. Look at this. For all the people who know about Stags, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. That clevis pin right there on your... If you can see it, you say, I don't know, come on. What's going on? These cameras aren't working. Right, look, that clevis pin is there. That's C-solid. Now, just for good measure, they're using nuts and bolts to hold the slave cylinder on. And obviously they're not in the best of condition either. Now, I'm struggling with here with a pair of these, trying to turn that with a set of like very focal glasses, which give you absolutely no view. I can't actually see what I'm doing. So, has it moved? Nope, it hasn't moved at all. It's still exactly the same place it was. And I can't get hold of it. I can't pull it down. It refuses to go anywhere. It's just going nowhere. It's just not going anywhere. It will not turn, it won't go in, it won't go out, it won't do nothing. So, if you can see it, and if you're interested in seeing it, put your suggestions how the hell I should get that out of there. I'm not putting heat on it because I'm going to set fire to all that insulation, all that pipework and all that wiring. I can't get on to hit it. I can't get on to cut it. I can't really get on to grind it without grinding some of these wires maybe. I don't know. I mean, it's just rusted solid. It's absolutely solid. Possibly they maybe suffer from, I don't know. Do you think they suffer from water leaks? I don't think so. Well, anyway, that's what it looks like underneath. And just another thing for a good measure, this trim here is held on by a tapped thread BA bolt, 8mm, something stupid. And, you know, why didn't they use self-tapping screws like everybody else? So that was obviously fun, to get them out. Trim obviously just didn't survive. The temporary ignition bodge, which is here, don't know what this is out of, but it's not ideally suited for going in there because of the size. They're two different sizes and I don't want to mess it up. So. And it won't go in the lock anyway, so we might as well forget that. So that's just a temporary bodge until the Land Rover one arrives, which I'm hoping is going to fit. What else? Overdrive, yeah, no, wiring, no. Somebody cut the door. Can't see why they sliced the door there, look. They cut a great big slice out the door. Don't know why. I don't know, unless someone else knows. I have no idea why they've done that. Maybe they cut the door off. Maybe they did it cut ahead of a bolt, but I don't know, but the two bolts, you can get to the bolts. So, oh, I don't know. They just like shuffling. Anyway, we don't know when the window winders are working because we haven't got any switches on there. That's on the list. We don't know anything else. We are finding things all the time. But, hey, that's my next mission. Sort that out. So if I do succeed, you'll know. If I don't, then you'll see it on eBay. See you soon, guys. Right guys, as I said before, continuation on, the pin is seized solid. Now, with the help of a long pointed chisel, I managed to chisel off the copper, the split pins with the end of it, and as you can see, I'm working slowly with pry bars, hammer, and a strugglation to get it out. Now, so far I've just managed to slice my head open on something here. I don't quite know what I hit, but it's something hard. But yeah, so within the next sort of appreciable time, I think you can see that there. Hopefully I'll have that out now. I'll have a look. whether you get this will be purely on a miracle. Let's see what we can do. Nope, didn't get it. Right, okay guys, I can't do that, you can't see, it doesn't make any difference whether you see it. I'm only doing it so I can remember when I'm in the dementia home, that's what I did. And that's how I cut the head on that deer lever. So, yeah, we're coming back to it.